Ireland is full of hidden treasures that most travellers never discover. From secret beaches and mystical forests to ancient ruins tucked away in valleys, these spots will make you see Ireland in a completely new light. Before we kick off, I have to ask, where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments. I love seeing how far this adventure reaches. One, Glendalough, County Wicklow, 2 serene lakes, and an ancient monastic site make this valley feel like a magical escape from the modern world. Two, Dunmore Head, Dingle Peninsula, Ireland's westernmost point, offers sweeping Atlantic views far from the usual tourist paths. Three, the Dark Hedges, County Antrim, a mystical tunnel of beech trees, perfect for photographers and fantasy lovers alike. Four, Loughcrew, Cairns, County Meath, prehistoric tombs older than the pyramids, where sunlight illuminates carvings during the equinox. Five, Slieve League Cliffs, County Donegal, towering cliffs taller than the cliffs of Moher, offering isolation and breathtaking ocean views. If you could spend a day on these cliffs, would you take the risk to feel the wind whipping past you? Six, the Burren, County Clare, a lunar-like landscape of limestone, rare flowers, and hidden archaeological treasures, unlike anywhere else on Earth. 7. Garnish Island, County Kerry, a secret garden island with exotic plants, colourful blooms, and peaceful ocean views. 8. Fanad Head, County Donegal, Ireland's northernmost point, with dramatic coastline and ghostly shipwrecks. 9. Tory Island, County Donegal, remote island, with strong traditions, artists, and an unmatched sense of isolation. 10. Galway, County Cork, a tiny chapel in a forested valley, sitting on the edge of a tranquil lake. Could you imagine rowing across this peaceful lake at sunrise? 11. Galway National Park, County Donegal, a hidden castle, pristine lakes, and roaming red deer await in this secluded park. 12. Hook Lighthouse, County Wexford, one of the world's oldest lighthouses, standing tall with panoramic coastal views. 13. Inishbofin Island, County Galway, quiet beaches, and rugged cliffs make this island a perfect secret getaway. "14. Ballintoy Harbour, County Antrim. A tiny, picturesque harbour often overlooked despite its dramatic seaside scenery. "15. Tory Island Lighthouse, County Donegal. A remote beacon surrounded by endless ocean, perfect for adventure seekers. If you could live on a remote island like this for a week, would you embrace the solitude or crave connection?" "16. Dromore Wood, County Clare. Hidden forest trails with wildlife and peaceful, meandering paths. 17. Killarney National Park, County Kerry. While popular, its hidden corners, waterfalls, and forest trails feel untouched. 18. Glencombe, County Donegal, a historic village with ancient Celtic ruins and coastal views far from crowds. 19. Michael Church, County Dublin. A little-known medieval church with mysterious ancient carvings. 20. Loughcrew, County Wicklow, Guinness Lake, hidden in Wicklow Mountains, framed by dramatic hills and dark waters. Have you ever visited a lake that looks like it's been painted into the landscape? 21. Cliffs of Moher Coastal Walks, County Clare Skip. The crowds, hidden paths reveal secret viewpoints along the iconic cliffs. 22. Polnabrone Dolmen, County Clare, a mysterious portal tomb perched on the Burren's rocky terrain. 23. Carrick-a-Rede Rope Bridge, County Antrim, a thrilling suspension bridge connecting cliffs with an isolated island. 24. Valentia Island, County Kerry. Secluded beaches, rugged coastline, and amazing sunsets await here. 25. Loughcrew Hills, County Meath. Hidden megalithic tombs with breathtaking valley panoramas. Could you see yourself hiking here to watch the sunrise? 26. The Aran Islands, County Galway. Time seems to slow down in these rugged, cultural-rich islands. 27. Downpatrick Head, County Mayo. Rocky cliffs and sea stacks far from tourist crowds with ancient legends. 28. Ballycroy National Park, County Mayo. Vast boglands and hidden wildlife create a peaceful wilderness retreat. 29. Gleniffe Horseshoe, County Sligo. A hidden valley surrounded by steep mountains, perfect for scenic drives. 30. Lough Derg, County Clare. A serene lake with quiet islands and spiritual significance. 31. Fanad Head Lighthouse, County Donegal, a remote lighthouse offering ocean views and dramatic sunsets. 32. Tullaher Castle, County Loughcrew, secluded medieval ruins surrounded by rolling green fields. 33. Achill Island, County Mayo, hidden coves, dramatic cliffs, and peaceful beaches far from crowds. 34. The Spink, County Wicklow, a hidden trail with panoramic mountain views and waterfalls along the way. 35. Dunluce Castle, County Antrim, perched on cliffs with stunning Atlantic views, a true fairy tale ruin. 36. Keshcorran Caves, County Sligo, ancient caves filled with mythology and spectacular coastal views. 37. Inishowen Peninsula, County Donegal, remote beaches, rugged hills, and secret coves to explore. 38. Glanmore Lake, County Kerry, a hidden mountain lake surrounded by serene forest paths. 39. Skellig Michael, County Kerry, an ancient monastic island rising dramatically from the Atlantic, accessible only by boat. If you could explore a remote island monastery, would you take the boat trip across rough seas? 40. Loughcrew Forest Park, County Roscommon's secret trails, mystical islands, and forested lakes make this a magical ending to our journey. So that wraps up our tour of Ireland's hidden gems. If you enjoyed this adventure, hit the like button and share which spot you'd love to visit first. Drop your thoughts in the comments, I can't wait to read them. And make sure to subscribe for more unseen wonders from around the world.